Ay. So, hi guys! Ako nga pala si Amil at welcome back sa panibagong video. At ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Wihiman. So, this game is made of Filipino developers. So, yeah. So, from what I see, para siyang my side yung art style niya. Para siyang my side. So, without further ado, tara maglaro na tayo mga besi waps. WASD to move, mouse to look. Yes, mouse to look. Mouse to look. Okay. Uy, Saka! Ay, di nasisipo. Sayang. Ano ang ating gagawin? Billy, where are you? Come here outside. Mom's calling me. I'll be there. Ayoko pumunta. Parang I'm guessing this is inspiration sa my side talaga. Kasi ang similar. Escape to J. Okay. Mama. Okay, nabubuksan din to. Saan to? Sa kanina to. Oh, hello. Okay. Di ko alam saan tayo. Sa baba ba tayo pupunta? Okay, bawal. Sa baba tayo. Baba tayo guys, baba tayo. Okay. Mama, dito na po ako. Oh! Taratado. Kala ko naman kung sino. Hello, bakit? See, it's pretty hurt. I just wanted to scare you. I didn't think that I'd fall. Daijoubu desu ka? I'm fine now. By the way, brother, let's watch TV. Can we? I can't. Mom is calling me. Okay? Okay, I'll wait you here. Okay. Ang ganda! Oh, you're following me. Okay. You're creeping me out a little bit. Okay ba? Fine. Mama? Uy, di ka susunod. Sunod ka. Si mama natin, oh, mama. Hey, mama. Mommy, nice weather. Yes, Billy. I hope it stays. Sana. Nakakatakot naman yung mama natin, pre. You called me, ma? Yes, Billy, can you help me? Dry the clothes in the laundry basket. Thanks a lot, Billy. Okay. No problem, mama. Ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Ano to? Eat to place. Okay, piniplace ko. Ano ba to? Dito. Okay. Ano to? Jacket naman. Ano to? Pants. Ito. Short. Okay. Thank you so much, Billy. Your sister is calling you. Got it, mom. Let's go. Hey, little sissy. Sista. I'm free. Let's watch TV. Yay! Okay, tara, upo na tayo. One-chan. Ay, Saan tayo po? Dito. Yan. Ang ganda ng Oni-chan. One time, my friend, she said she saw something in the bathroom. What'd she see? I don't know. But she said it was a girl in a white with red eyes just staring right at her. You kinda looks like it. No, I'm not creepy stalker. Okay, let's drop it. Still, I just want to tell you. Okay, sure, I guess. Okay. Ang ganda ng pinapanood natin. Oh no, Agarpi. Can you grab me some food too? reject the free of therapy. Okay. Thanks, big brother. No problem. No problem. Okay, tinuturo na kung saan napupunta. I'm still borrow what Joyce said. Huwag ka mabothered. Pag nababothered ka, dun ka maano, boy. Okay. Ihi tayo, bes. Ihi tayo. Walang Oy! Oy! Walang maninilip. Uy, ang dami naman. Okay. Iro. Akala ko ba family friendly to, pre? Wala naman. Okay, wala naman, boy. Ooh! Hanapin mo yon. Hey. Okay, bahala ka dyan. Bahala ka. Anong pagkain? Ayan. Okay. Bahala ka dyan. I'm trying to be nice here, okay? I'm trying to... Where is she? Hindi ko alam. Asan siya? Asan ka? Is someone there? Is someone up? Okay. Sino to? Oto-san! Hi, Dad. Did you see Joyce? Yeah. I saw her going upstairs. I think she went back to her room. Okay. Pupunta na tayo sa ating room ng ating sista. Okay. No problem. Ito yata yung napuntahan ko kanina. Ay, ano yan siya? Ay. Ah, okay ka lang? Here's your sandwich, little sister. Thanks, Oni-chan. Let's watch TV again. You go first, I'll follow a bit. Okay, I'm heading there over now. I'll go to the living room and sit in the sofa. What's going on? Am I seeing things? Are they even real? I don't know. Ano yan? Uy! Putang! Okay. Gulat ako sa'yo, boy. Teleport siya. Nakaupo ka na agad. Bakit? Anay... What are you doing? You scared me. Did I? Am I that crazy? Anyway, big brother, I have an idea. You saw mom. She was crying. Huh? Where? What? She was sitting here a while ago. But more importantly, big brother, I'm bored watching TV. Let's play hide and seek. Ayoko? Yippee, you seek me. I'll be the one to hide. Okay. Go to your room. Ready? You go first. Oh, man. Fuck. Ayoko maganto. Kakabalik ko palang mag-record, tas ganto agad. Okay, go to your room. Uy, may ano siya, I'm guessing ano to? Ichi ni, ichi ni, sanya, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here I come. Oh, no, 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 no. Kill no. Is that Julia sister? Oh my God. Hindi ako takot sa'yo, kaibigan. Madami ako napagdaanan, kaibigan. No, takot boy. You think I'm scared? Saan? Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Saan? Saan yun? Saan yun? Saan yun? Hindi ako takot. Ah, dito. Nagbukas na. Okay. Ito? This door needs a safe key. I don't know where to find it. Ayan na, hanapin pa natin yung safe. What was that sound? Is that on the second floor? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano meron sa taas. Kasi horror game to, kailangan natin. Objective natin yon. Saan ba na? Ah, dito. Hello po. Hello po. Akala ko room ng magulang natin. Hindi pala. Okay. Oh! Ah! Hindi ka nakakatakot. Ano to? A key. Why is it here? Tsaka ba't may dugo? What happened here? What happened? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Ang mahalaga, nasa atin na yung susi. So, tara, baba na tayo. Baba na tayo. Come on, come on. Ano nangyari dito? What happened here? What happened here? Nangyari? Ah? Storage room lang? Oh. Oh, yeah. Teddy bear. Okay, may tao sa... Konnichiwa. Help! This is just a demo version. Wait for the full version. Thanks for playing. Yung ang dami mong pinagdaanan, tapos ganito yung sumalubong sa'yo na music. Ang ganda. So, salamat kayo sa panonood. Pag na-enjoy nyo tong video na to, smash that like button and as always, see you in the next video guys.